No, this is the spot. This is definitely the move.
Oh my God!
Oh, fuck yes. Holy shit.
Holy.
That's fucking cool.
Wow, this is really awesome. Guys, holy.
We both know those moments when all your worries hit again and eat your time. So let's just pretend that it'll work out in the end and turn out fine. Yeah. Every night crashes down on you like an avalanche, opening up the deepest parts of our thoughts, and all you find is deeper shades of blue. So let's dance for hours, letting time pass like the wind. What's on your mind? But leave that behind and let loose. Show your problems out the door and let loose. Ain't no worries on the dance floor. Just let the weight of your shoulders show 'em what you're made of. Right here, right now.
There are so many things that make today special. This place, these people, these clothes. But above all that, today is special for the same reason that every day is special. Because we are here together. Today, like hundreds of days before it, we choose to hold each other close and pronounce our love. We choose, as we have so many times before, to laugh together. We choose to cry together. Today, like any number of days before it, we have chosen each other. Above all others, first and foremost. It hasn't been a perfect journey up to this point, but together we've overcome every obstacle. Together we have persevered more than the sum of our parts. There is no other soul on this earth that I would rather choose to spend my life with, because choosing you is really no choice at all.
Marriage. Marriage is what brings us here today. Dennie, we've experienced so much growth, change, learning, laughter, sadness, excitement, and everything in between over the last 10 years. And I genuinely don't remember what life was like without you. I am at a loss for words, which probably makes sense. Our relationship really can't be summed up by words. It's interesting how you can do that to me, though. Settle me down to an utter stillness and silence. Thinking of you in this moment causes all the noise of my brain to slowly melt away. So all that's left is you and me here in the stillness of nature, where we have spent so many memorable nights together under the stars. Throughout all the turbulence life brings, you are always there to make things feel safe, like everything will work out. The crazy thing is that given enough time and faith and maximum effort, you're always right. We will always find our way back to each other. I love you through all the good times, but I love you even more through the bad. Because what makes a strong couple is how they weather the storms, and there's no one else I would trust at the helm of my ship. I vow to weather every storm with you until the calm returns, and I know that with you by my side it always will. Thank you for choosing me every day. Now let's get married, train really hard, and become extremely fast cyclists so we can ride into the sunset hand in hand, ready for whatever life brings us. I know we can handle it together.
Yours were good.
We both Know those moments when all your worries hit again and eat your time. So let's just pretend that it'll work out in the end and turn out fine. Yeah.
Every night crashes down on you like an avalanche, opening up the deepest parts of our thoughts, and all you find is deeper shades of blue.
So let's dance for hours, letting time pass like the wind. What's on your mind?